In CSS, the normal flow arranges HTML elements vertically in the order they appear in the HTML document. Each element has a default display value, typically black or inline, which can be altered using the display property. In the second routine exercise, I'm styling a card which contains an H1, some text content, and the button inside the button container, arranged as they appear in the HTML. Black elements like paragraphs and headings typically start on a new line and take up the full width available, while inline elements like links or buttons flow alongside each other with intercontaining block. Inline elements don't start on a new line and take only as much width as necessary. In the HTML file, divs are used as containers to group and style content. Removing divs such as those with the class content and button container reveals how the content merges, liking styling. The div element serves as a block level container, ideal for grouping elements and applying styles. On the other hand, span acts as an inline container, allowing targeted styling within text segments. To see how span works, I will wrap my button element between span tags, and in my CSS file I can add a width and height of 150 pixels and a border of 3 pixels solid green. To see the changes better, adding display inline won't change anything, but if I use the value inline block, now my button keeps its inline position while allowing dimension adjustments. Inline block elements combine features of both block and inline elements. They maintain inline behavior while allowing block style padding and margin, and also allowing to set the width and the height on the element. Finally, if I add block for display, now my button acts like a block element and moves on a new line. But this is not what the exercise asks for, so I will delete my span element from HTML and style directly the button with display block.